Welcome to this Discovering ArcGIS tutorial. ArcGIS Online is a cloud-based mapping and geographic data visualization application that runs completely in your browser. This course requires you sign into an ArcGIS organizational account. If you signed up for a free Learn account, you will see a home page that looks like this. If you're working in a different organization, your page might look different, but the navigation should be the same. Start at the home page. The top navigation links you to these key locations in the application. The gallery link takes you to a set of items selected by that organization's admin. The Map tab opens the Map Viewer, which is the tool we use to create and share web map. The Scene tab launches the Scene Viewer, where you can view and create globes and three-dimensional views of data. The Groups link is where communities are organized by interest and come together to publish and share resources. This course has its own group. The Organization tab deals with administrator tools, so for now we'll go right into the Content folder, which is the primary focus of the remainder of this video. ArcGIS Online provides a central location to store, manage, and share spatial data in the form of files and web layers. The files and layers you add to your organization provide the base for your visualization, analysis, and editing workflows. The Content folder provides a central location to store, manage, and share spatial data in many different supported item types. This course focuses on 4 primary types of items: maps, layers, scenes, and apps. This panel on the left is where you can search for data and filter by item type, location, date, and other variables. These blue tabs show you different collections of items. In My Content, you'll see all of your own items that you've either created yourself or added using the New Item button. ArcGIS Online supports many options for adding new items. In My Favorites, you will see any layers for which you clicked the favorite star icon. This allows you to have ready access to items you want to find again quickly. My Groups shows you content that has been shared through any group you belong to. My Organization shows you only the items created by people in your organization. If you are using Learn or another large public organization, you might see many hundreds of items. Conversely, if you have a personal account with only one member, you will only see the data you yourself have added. Finally, the Living Atlas tab lets you browse and search for Esri-curated geospatial data. The nuances of searching and browsing for Living Atlas data is covered in another video in this course. Using data from these various sources, you can remix the efforts of 1 million users and add your own data with data from your friends and colleagues, or public data, to make original maps and apps. Click on an item name to bring up its item details page. Each item in ArcGIS Online includes an item page with a variety of information, actions, options, and settings organized by tab, depending on what kind of data it is and what the publisher has enabled. In this layer of stream flows compiled by Esri from a number of contributors, we can see that the data is flagged as authoritative, which means it comes from a reliable government, academic, or commercial source and is trusted as complete, current, and accurate. The item details page contains important metadata that is part of the pedigree of any map that includes it. The Data tab shows a tabular view of the attributes, or you can bring up a list of fields instead. The Visualization tab gives you a preview of any styled symbology that has been applied. In this case, we also have the option to create a new layer item based on the current layer. The new layer will still reference the data of the original layer. This section of Item Details page is where we can change things like the sharing options, folder location, categories, and tags. This indicator bar tells us how complete our metadata is and how it can be improved. The next video details the structure of the Living Atlas and several means to make the most of it. Thanks for watching.